So this now in this topic we are going to discuss about now how to write the data into the file. So just how to write the data into the file, just what are the methods are given for you to write the data into the file, we'll see. See, come on friend, just what your friend, just methods. Guys, methods for what your friend, methods for writing the data into the what your friend, into the file. Methods for writing the data into the file. So what are the methods are given for you to write the data into the file, dear friend? Just there is a one method called write data. There is a what dear friend, just a write lines method is there. Write lines which required what dear friend IEEE. So let's have a look here now how to work with these methods. Right, okay. So write is a method, will write the given data into the specified file. Write lines method will write a group of lines to the file at a time. So just what dear friend, it will write, yes, it will write the given data, it will write the specified. Okay, it will write what dear friend, just it will write what dear friend, just a specified data into the what dear friend specified file, into the what dear friend, just a specified file, into the specified file. But whereas write lines allows to write, yes, it will allows to write group of lines to the file. It will allows to write what dear friend, just a group of lines to the file, okay, at a time. That's enough. Let me show you programmatical ways. So first then what dear friend, just I want to go with that, go to the file and new file. So if you want to write the data, the very basic operations, what you have to do, friend, first of all, you have to open the file for the what purpose? Write purpose. See, come on, how to open the file? There is a open function. What is the name of the file? Here I want to create data2.txt. What purpose you want to open the file? Write purpose. So just open function will return an object of the class file. It will return an object of the what your friend class file. Sir, what data you want to write? There is already one method I said you, my dear friend, just to write data. It is a method, sir. So just which data you want to write? The data should be in the form of string. Yes, okay. The data equal to something like what dear friend, just to have a nice day like this. This is the data I'm planning to write them into the file. Sir, f dot what dear friend, just to write. Write is the method of the file class, will allow us to write the data. So whatever the data is there in the variable data, the data will be write them into the file. As simple as that. But friend, just I want to give you one message to the console. So data is what dear friend, data is saved. My dear lovely friend, you people may have a doubt. Sir, if you create the file, where this file is going to be created? Of course, my dear lovely friend, this file is going to be created in the same directory itself. In the same directory means what? The directory where this program is executing, or the directory where this program is existed, in the same directory only the file will be created. Sir, is there any possibility to define the file in the different location? Of course, yes. Is there any possibility to create the file in the different location? Yes, that will be discussed in forthcoming sessions. You don't worry about it. So let me run this, my dear friend. I just want to save this code. This is a code for what dear friend, just to write demo 1 dot what dear friend py. Any name for your choice, you can go that. Then go to save, go to the run menu and click on what dear friend, run module. Run module. It is saying that what dear friend, just data is saved. Is really this data is saved? Okay, really that file is created or not? Let me ensure. Sir, so what is the location this program is saved, sir? This is the location. We are requesting you to see the location where this program is got saved. Sir, you can check it out in my system, sir. This is the location where the file is saved. You need drive 2021 Python February 530 advanced Python in the files folder, sir. What is the location here? You need drive 2021 Python underscore February underscore 530 in the advanced Python files folder. This program in the files folder, this program is got saved. Let me explore, sir. Let me explore. So in the what dear friend, just in the E drive, dear friend, in the E drive. So what is that folder location? 2021. So what is that, gentlemen? Python, what dear friend, February 530. Instead of that, what? Advanced Python. There is a files topic. Of course, the files. Oh, wonderful. Now the file is created. With what name, sir? What is the name you have taken for your file, sir? Data2.txt. So you can check it out. Is that file is created or not? My dear lovely friend, if you want, you can check this. Data2.txt. This is a what dear friend date and the timestamp. This is a what dear friend this is the date and this is the timestamp when that file is got created. And moreover, unfortunately, have you noticed here, friend? Just it seems what here, friend? It seems there is no data in the file. But what is the problem? Let's have a look here. So just here, let me open this file. Click right mouse button and click on what here, friend, open. If you open that file, you can see what here, friend, there is nothing, no data into it. So there is no data into it. What is the reason? Let me open, double time click, no data in it. Reason why? But sir, already we have written some data. It seems what here, friend, that the file is data is saved. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a very, 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 very important file. See, until unless you close the file, the data will not be saved into the file. This is a very important point you need to understand. Until unless you close the file, the data will not be saved into the file. That is the reason wantedly I didn't save. Now you can observe this. F dot what here, friend, close. So whenever you close the file, then only the data will be saved into the file. Now Control S for save. Then go to the run menu and click on run module. Now this file is what your friend created. Let me check, sir. I just want to go to your expector folder. So this is the location. Now you can see this file is what your friend updated a little later. Just what your friend, now this file is having some data. The name of the file is what? Data2.txt. Let me open this, my dear friend. Let me open this one. Have you seen this? What is the data is there in the file? Yes, this is the data what we have written into the file. That is what dear friend, just have a nice data, have a nice day. Or if you want, you can go with what dear friend, just open with Notepad or WordPad. That's all up to you. This is the data what we have written into that. So this is what dear friend, just a write method. Write a method will allow us to write the data into the what dear friend file. This is an example one. Sir, is there any possibility to extract the data from the user and to write the data into the file? Of course, my dear friend, that is really nice idea. We can achieve that. I hope you are catching my points very clear. So now this idea is what, dear friend, I want to write the program such a manner. I want to extract some data from the user. Sir, I want to extract some data from the user. That extracted data, I want to write them into the file. Of course, it is possible. We'll see in another program. Just watch on the screen. So go to the what, dear friend, just a new file. Our purpose is what, dear friend, just writing the data into the file by extracting the data from the user. What is the method we are using, sir? Write data method. From which class, sir? From file class. Sir, if you want to write the data, first of all, you need to open the file. Yes, sir. Open. The name of the file is what, dear friend? Data3 dot what, dear friend, txt. Any name of your choice. So we are requesting the PVM to open the file for the purpose of what, dear friend, writing the data. So yes. Now what is your plan, sir? Actually, my plan is I just want to write the data into the file by prompting the data from the user. Of course, then we can see like this. So just to know what is my requirement is I want to give the message to the user. So enter your data, press what your friend, some asterisk for what your friend exit. So wantedly here I'm giving some termination character. So definitely at the end of the day, the client need to stop writing the data, right? Enter your data, press asterisk for exit. You can give any unique character as a termination. Here for easy to understand, I've taken asterisk. Okay, this message will be displayed on the screen as it is. All right, sir. Sir, input. Enter your data, my dear friend. So input, enter what your friend, just input, simple, sir. Input. 1 second. Already given, enter your data, press asterisk for exit. So just to that extracted data, we have taken into the variable data set. That extracted input we have taken into the variable data. This data we need to check, my dear lovely friend, as you know that while loop. In the while loop, it will check the condition initially. If the condition evaluates to true, then only it enter into the loop and executing the looping statement till the condition evaluates to false. My dear lovely friend, you guys already have a lot of experience with the while loop. So it will check the condition initially. If the condition evaluates to true, then only it enter into the loop and executing the looping statement till the condition evaluates to false, right? All right, sir. Sir, whatever the data is given by the user, if it is not equal to asterisk, wonderful, sir. That extracted data is not equal to asterisk. Yes. If that extracted data is not equal to asterisk, then what I have to do, sir? Just then what we have to do is we have to write the data into the file set. Whatever the data we have extracted from the user, that extracted data I have to write the data into the file. After writing that set, bring the cursor to the new line in the file. Bring the cursor to the new line in the file. Dear friend, this input statement is there, what dear friend, outside of the loop, right? So the statements which is there outside of the loop will be executed for one time. So just what it will be executed for one time. But sir, just after writing the data, we need to take the data continuously till user input is asterisk, right? Sir, this input statement is where, sir, that is outside of the loop. So statements which are given outside of the loop will be executed for only one time. So, but extracting the input only one word, so that word is not equal to asterisk, it will write. But we have to continue the process, right? That is the reason, right? Again, I'm taking data equal to what your friend input. That's it, my dear. I will explain. Just relax. So come on, go ahead, my dear friend. Very easy. Sir, enter your data, press asterisk for exit. My word is what dear friend, my input is like Sashi. Sir, this input is taken into the variable data. What is the data? Sashi. Shashi is not equal to star. Yes, true. Shashi is not equal to star. True. Then it will write the Sashi into the file. Sir. It will write the Sashi into the file and throw the cursor to the new line. Throw the cursor to the new line. Sir, it is again input is there, sir. Here is a what your friend input is here with me. Here is a what input. What is that input? I am giving James, sir. Now this James is taken into the variable data. Then James is not equal to asterisk. Yes, true. Then James will be written into the file and throwing the cursor to the new line. Again, I am prompting the data like Ramesh. So this Ramesh is taken into the variable data. That Ramesh is not equal to asterisk. That Ramesh is written into the file. But this moment, wantonly I am writing asterisk. Then this asterisk will be taken into the what data. The data is what? Asterisk. Asterisk is not equal to asterisk. No, false. When this condition false, it will come out from the loop. So whenever the control is comes out from the loop, the moment back only I said you, it is always good programming practice to close the file. Sir, what is happen if I fail to close the file? Friend, the data which is written by you will not be saved into the file. The data which is written by you will not be saved into the file. That is the reason. Always please make a habit to close the file after writing activity. So just I want to give the message, right? The data is what dear friend saved. As simple as this, my dear lovely friend. As simple as this. Let me check is really is working fine or not. Control S to save. This is what dear friend just write to demo 2. What dear friend py. Then go to the run menu and click on what dear friend just run module. This prompting me enter your data. Press asterisk for exit. I'm giving Sashi. There is a what dear friend. Unfortunately, you've seen there is some problem. What is that, friend? Write function takes exactly one argument it was given to. Unfortunately, I was taken what dear friend /n in the right method. But because right method will take only one argument, it is absolutely my mistake. I'm sorry for this. Just what dear friend, after writing the data and bring the cursor to the what dear friend, bring the cursor to the new line. Just you better write this way. Better write like this. Then what dear friend, just control S. So just what dear friend, just I want to go to the run menu and click on what dear friend, just a run module. There is a what dear friend Sashi. Next one is what dear friend Suresh. Next one is what dear friend Rajesh. My dear friend, just whatever the data you want, you can write it. My dear friend, have a what dear friend, have a nice day. Okay, just hope you guys are doing good. This is what dear friend, hope you all doing good. Like this, I'm writing. Hope you guys, hope you all doing good. Just have written some data there. After writing data, then press asterisk, then data is saved. Is really this data is got saved into the file or not? Have an experience. Again, open the file and you can see. What is the name of the file you have taken, my dear friend? Data3.txt. Let me open your respective folder. Let me open your respective folder. So just where it is, this program is saved in 2021. Your respective folder is what your friend Python February 530. Instead of this, what your friend just advanced Python, there is a word files. Now one file is created with the name what your friend just a data3. This is the location the file is created at this particular date and timestamp. So let me see, sir, what is there in the file? Go with what your friend, open with WordPad. Yes. So whatever the data you've written, have you seen that, my dear friend? If you want, you can open the file using the notepad. Yes, this is wonderful. This is a way you guys can write the data into the file. So we can extract the data from the user dynamically and we can write the data into the file. Yes, I hope you guys got the point very clear. Sir, there is a one more method is there, sir. Write method will write the data. Sir, write lines method is also there. What is the purpose of this write lines method, dear friend? Write line methods allows you to write the group of lines to the file at a time. So just what dear friend, write lines method allows to write what dear friend, group of lines to the file at a time. But please understand, write lines method required iterable as an argument. Iterable as an argument. Very simple here. Let's have one small experience on that method. So, okay, I just want to write group of lines to the file at a time. How to write it? Have a look at my screen. Very easy. Then go to the what dear friend, just a new file. Right friend. This is about what dear friend, just a write lines. Here write lines is what dear friend, iterable. Ladies and gentlemen, the here is a what dear friend, iterable means that may be in the form of what dear friend, that may be the string, that may be the list, that may be the tuple, that may be the set, that may be what dear friend, any collection. So that may be what dear friend, just a string or list, tuple or set or frozen set. Okay, but not dictionary here in this case. 1 second. You can observe this, my dear friend. First of all, let me open the file. With what name, sir? Data 4. What dear friend? Data 4.txt. What purpose, my dear friend? Writing purpose. So, okay, no one file is open. So, what is my requirement, sir? Sir, just I want to write the group of lines to the file at a time, sir. Will it be possible? Why not, gentlemen? I'm taking a list. Sir, in the list, one item, sir, one string item. This is the second string item. This is the third string item. This is the fourth string item. Sir, in this what here, friend, just a slash one set, one set. What is that now, sir? Just to have a nice day is one statement. I want to take slash and sir, second line. So in the what here, friend, just a second item in the what here, friend, just a list. Have a good day, sir. Have a good day. Then bring the cursor to the new line. Sir, in the third line, that is a what dear friend, third statement. Have you what dear friend, just hope you're doing good. That's what dear friend, hope you all doing good. This is what dear friend, something like doing what dear friend, doing good. So this is a way we have taken, my dear friend. The next one is what slash and bring the cursor to the new line. So fourth line, fourth statement. Sir. I've taken list of items. So just what dear friend, just this is what dear friend, just this is something like what dear friend, just okay, that is what Python. Okay, Python is what dear friend, just very simple. This is I've written some statements like. My dear friend, this is a what dear friend, just a list. This is a what dear friend, just this is a what dear friend list like. This is one list. I'm sorry. So this is a what dear friend list. So these items, I want to write them into the file in a single shot. Will it be possible? Of course, yes. Of course, yes. What is the statement, sir? F4 dot what dear friend, just write lines is a method. Write lines is a method. Which one, sir? You require to pass any iterable. But as I said you, my dear lovely friend, very clearly, after writing the data into the file, it is always good programming practice to close the file. Otherwise, this data will not be saved into the file. Yes, okay, that is the reason. Let me close the file. I want to give the message what dear friend, just a data is what dear friend saved. Then Control S. Control S means what dear friend saved. This is about what dear friend, write lines demo.py. Write lines demo.py. Then go to what dear friend, run menu and click on run module. Everything is fine. Okay, now this is what this data is got saved into the file or not. Of course, the data is got saved. So what is the proof? Here is a go. Just to go to what dear friend, the location where the file is what dear friend saved. Go to the location where the file is what dear friend, where the file is saved. Go to what dear friend, Explorer. In the E drive, I created the program in this location, 2021. In the what dear friend, just a Python February 530 folder. Instead of that, what advanced Python, there is a what files. We have created one file with the name what dear friend, data4.txt. And this is the date and time stamp. So, okay, you can observe this, my dear friend. Open this particular file. Let me go with that. So just go to what dear friend, just a notepad. You can see all the lines are written into the file in a single shot. So I hope now you guys got the point very clearly, ladies and gentlemen. So we have what dear friend, just two methods we have seen. Write method to write the data, and write lines also method is given for you to write group of lines to the file in a single shot. I hope you guys have got the very clear idea about it, what dear friend, how to work with files, how to write the data into the file. Such a manner, we have to discuss about how to write the program to read the data from the file in the next series. I hope you guys got the point very clear. So that's all for now. So, okay.